Greetings. Today I want to take a moment to thank each and everyone who have accepted my message of self-realization. From the start, when I started this channel, I didn't know how far I will go with this channel. And many people was making videos about Neville, but none was making any video about his mentor, Abdullah. And so I took it upon me to teach that what Abdullah was really showing Neville is that there's only one religion. And that religion is self-realization. So I really want to thank you for accepting my message and putting it to work in your life. I want to thank you for receiving me. I want to thank you for allowing this message to bring about change in your life. I want to thank you for all of your support. Those of you who comment, those of you who bought my books, those of you who joined my Patreon, those of you who've been following for so many years and would have support in many different ways. I just want to thank you because you receive the truth. Because I know that everything that I've been sharing with you, it's the truth. I know that I would have experienced the promise. And I know that the people who believe that there was a literal man who existed 2,000 years ago with special powers, and they believe that man is a savior and believe that he's coming back for them, I know that they are brainwashed. I know that they are deceived. I know that they are delusional people. And you're the ones who are willing to listen to me. And you were not quick to call me crazy or call me stupid. But I can tell you, people in my country, if you come and you bring this kind of truth to them, they'll tell you you're crazy. And the reason for that is because many of them, they are very arrogant because they believe that they can read one book and know it all. Moreover, they really believe that the Bible is literal and secular history that is pointing them to look outwardly. That's why they keep looking for a Lord and a Savior and a Redeemer. But those of you who are open-minded, those of you who are willing to unlearn and relearn and reprogram your subconscious mind, I want to say I couldn't do it without you. And this is my way of just saying to you how much I really appreciate you and how thankful I am. Do you realize that the greatest prayer is a prayer of thanksgiving? It's a prayer of gratitude. You see, if you always live in an attitude of gratitude, that which you desire in this world will always attract it to you. Because gratitude is very, very, very powerful. And that is why I am so thankful for each and every one of you who have supported this work and who will continue to support this work. Let me say again how much I feel encouraged, how much you have motivated me. And I know I'll be making videos after videos after videos after videos. I do not have any plan to stop spreading this truth. And I know the time will come when those who first rejected me and those who first called me stupid and crazy, they will come to the realization that what I was really teaching them is to love themselves, to believe in themselves, and to know that they are one with the infinite creative power that is within themselves. You see, even people like Reverend Ike, if you're familiar with Reverend Ike, when he started to preach this truth, many people was against him. And many, many, many years later, people now accepting the fact that he was ahead of his time. And then they realized that their parents and grandparents and great grandparents, that they were brainwashed and that they were spreading lies about Reverend Ike, and they had the wrong concept of him. So it took many years for them to come to that realization. And I know it would take many years for many people to come to the realization of what I've been teaching, that true salvation is self-realization. It's not just about manifesting things and getting things in this world. No, I've been teaching our people to get rid of all form of false identity and to know that the real identity is their divinity. And you're the ones who vibrate with me. You're the one whom this message resonated with. And I really, really want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. So with that being said, my brother and my sisters, I just wanted to just take this moment to really give thanks. So with that being said, I want to say, if it happened to be the first time that you're listening to me, what I'm saying, if it really resonates with you and you haven't subscribed already, I'm definitely encouraging you to subscribe, to like, to comment, or to share this video. Also, if you like to follow me on Instagram and like to follow me on TikTok, you can definitely follow me at Black Mad Guru. And I would also encourage you to get my latest book, which is called The Secret Vagina Mystery of the Virgin Birth, plus Spiritual Recipe for Better Living, and my many other books and journals that are available on Amazon. Also, if you're not a part of my Patreon community, I definitely encourage you to do so and to support this work. And I have on my Patreon a course that is called The Inner Sun Science and Technology to Create Your Reality Consciousness. And that is for people donating at least $20 or more. And along with that is a bonus course on self-concept. So if you feel strongly led to do so, I really appreciate your love and your support. So with that being said, my brother and my sister, I just want to say peace. Love you all. Out.